Hi, welcome to Joshy's World. Today, I went to Toys R Us and bought this 5 surprise. So, it's like where there's toys inside and you open them and there's no back, but you can see the barcode and it's just like a ball. And let's get started opening this. Okay, there's just plastic, so I just opened some stuff so we can open it. So, Mom, can you help me? Because I'm going to take this thing out. Take these things out, I think I want. I don't know if I can open it. Mom, can you open that for me?
There's a plastic still, hey?
Yeah.
It says 5 surprise. For ages 3+.
Oh, I didn't see that there.
Yeah. And there's 150 toys to collect. Look at that.
Yes.
There's robots, dinosaurs, cars, and ninjas. Hey?
Anything you want, right,
Okay,
Mom?
we'll open it now.
My mom's gonna open it. So let's just wait.
Okay,
Okay.
you finish opening.
Okay, now I can open the whole thing. Look. Whoa! I never knew it's like
it's divided into 5. It's like apple slices.
Okay, first let's do this one.
So let's see first, Joshy.
5 surprise.
There's
They all say
5
5 surprise.
slices.
Now I'm gonna open. What do I get? Ooh, a thingy.
Squishy?
I don't know what it is.
Oh yeah, it's a pop. The eye that pops, hey? It's the head.
Yeah, now let's check Now let's check the next one. Guys.
The eye pops.
Oh, guys, look at this one.
There's the other one.
Stegosaurus.
Oh, nice! A dinosaur.
I have 3 more left.
Close to rubber. It's rubber.
Let's
It's
see.
a nice one.
Ooh, a skateboard.
Okay. Let me see, Joshy.
Saw that trick?
That's the 3rd one. And what's
2 more.
2 more?
I hope I get a cool one. Whoa! I got a snail. A land. Look. Sharp. Back. Front. Let's check the last one. Wait. I don't see
These
any.
are the toys that you can get.
Guys, you have to see this one. You won't know what I get.
Surprise!
It's done!
What's that?
A ninja.
A ninja. And you can attach it
To
to
anything.
a glass thing, yeah?
Well, let's see if I can stick it
It has a
here.
suction thing, hey? Show
A
them the ninja.
suction cup.
There you go.
It,
And at the
Mhm.
back, there's a suction thing. So this
This
can
one.
hang on any glass.
or like on a skateboard. Oh, no, you can't.
And this is the snail.
And this is how you make a ball.
Big-eyed snail.
This is the ball.
So, and then you can
Make
put
it
them
to
together.
a ball. And then now where's the piece that I took off of it? So like that. 2 of these. It's hard actually to make it into a ball.
And then put the piece back together. Where is it? There you go. You want me to help you?
Sure.
Or you can do it?
I got it.
You got it.
Almost.
Oh yeah. You
Got
see,
it.
you can do it, and now you have a ball. And the toys.
How many do you can collect? You can get this at Walmart.
2?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And Toys R Us?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you suction this ninja here.
Oh, it works.
Ah, look. And also, I have another surprise for you. Pull it out. An Indoraptor mask. Divided from... Wait. I think it's made from Zuru. I don't know.
No, it's not
Mattel.
Zuru. Mattel? Okay.
Look, Adjustable Fallen Kingdom, and look, pictures from Mattel. The red thing is...
Mm-hmm. Mattel. So
And-
it's a Jurassic World Indoraptor mask.
And you can see me roar.
Wow! That's ferocious, scary. Oh my goodness. You're going savage.
And hit that like button so you never miss a video. Bye. That's it for today. Hope you had fun watching me open the 5 surprise with the toys. Bye.